How heredity and environmental factors influence growth and development. Growth and development are dynamic processes influenced by multiple factors. Two of the most important among them are heredity and environment. These factors interact in complex ways to shape the overall development of an individual. Growth refers to quantitative changes, e.g., height, weight, while development includes qualitative changes, e.g., emotional, social, moral development. Heredity provides the biological blueprint for an individual, determining the innate qualities that are passed from parents to children through genes. On the other hand, the environment plays a crucial role in modifying, shaping, and even enhancing these inherited traits through experiences, education, culture, and interactions with the social world. Modern educational psychology and child development theories recognize that neither heredity nor environment alone can fully account for a person's development. Instead, it is the dynamic interaction between the two that guides the holistic growth of an individual. For instance, a child may inherit the potential for high intelligence, heredity, but whether this potential is realized depends on environmental stimulation, such as proper education, encouragement, and emotional support. 1. Influence of heredity on growth and development. Heredity refers to the transmission of physical and psychological traits from parents to offspring through genes. It provides the blueprint for an individual's growth and potential. Example: a child born to tall parents may also grow tall. Intellectual potential and IQ levels are strongly influenced by hereditary factors. Example: children of intelligent parents tend to have better reasoning and problem solving abilities. Certain personality aspects like temperament, emotional reactivity, and introversion extroversion may be inherited. Example: a calm or aggressive nature may be seen across generations. Heredity plays a major role in determining susceptibility to certain diseases or disorders. Example: diabetes, hemophilia, and certain mental health disorders can be inherited. 2. Influence of environment on growth and development. Environment refers to all the external conditions and influences that affect a person's life, such as family, school, society, culture, nutrition, and experiences. A balanced diet and proper medical care are essential for normal physical growth. Example: malnourishment can lead to stunted growth and cognitive delays, even in genetically healthy children. Love, emotional security, parenting style, and early bonding shape a child's emotional and social development. Example: children raised in a caring and supportive home develop confidence and better social behavior. Exposure to education enhances intellectual and moral development. Example: a child provided with quality schooling and stimulation develops better academic skills and curiosity. Culture, traditions, language, and religious beliefs play a role in shaping values, behavior, and identity. Example: a child raised in a culturally rich environment develops a stronger sense of identity and belonging. Friends, schoolmates, and social activities affect emotional maturity, cooperation, leadership, and communication skills. Example: group play helps in developing teamwork and sharing behavior. 3. Interaction of heredity and environment. Heredity provides the inborn potential, while the environment shapes, supports, or suppresses that potential. They work together, not independently. A child may inherit musical talent, heredity, but without training or encouragement, environment, it may never develop. A child with average hereditary intelligence can achieve high academic success in a rich learning environment. Both heredity and environment are crucial in determining the growth and development of an individual. Heredity provides the raw material, while environment acts as the sculptor that shapes this material into a fully developed person. For balanced development, a rich environment is essential to support the natural potential inherited by an individual.